First of all, let us have a toast by Nem-san. So please, Nem-san, please come to the stage.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I'd like to welcome all CalSoft Robinson members and their family members. I'm really pleased to see all of you here together. Last year, we had 50-some people, and I think some of us said next year in 2007, we are going to have 100 people. And today we have